we're recognizing all our students that finished our spring semester, and we're honoring them with just a certificate of participation, of completion. You're seeing some GED students in English and Spanish. You're also seeing entrepreneurship courses, which consist of like your nails class, your sewing, your baking, your cake decorating. You're learning a trade, you're learning English, and also the ability to complete your GED.
Es un paso muy importante a una meta que traigo. Quisiera hacer una carrera de enfermería para poder llegar a esa meta necesitábamos tener mi GED. A pesar de que uno no sepa el inglés, el terminar el GED es una satisfacción muy grande.
We allow parents to have opportunities, so with that, they can even open up their business. We want them to continue so that they can prosper in their family unit, so it means a lot to them.